Want to go from struggling with low-paying gigs to landing 1 lakh rupee plus projects? It's time to level up your freelancing game. Stick around because I'm going to show you the secrets of charging premium rates and attracting high-ticket clients that can transform your career in 2025. High-ticket freelancing means working with clients who value your expertise and are willing to pay a premium for your services. But here's the kicker. You can't just expect high-paying clients to come knocking. You need to position yourself as a high-value freelancer. To start earning more, you need to offer more. What do I mean by that? It's simple. Charge for your expertise, not just your time. High-ticket clients don't care about hourly rates, they care about results. Step 1. Build a strong portfolio. You need to showcase your best work. Not just random projects, but your most impactful high-value work. Think case studies, testimonials, and results-driven portfolios that demonstrate your expertise. Step 2. Position yourself as an expert. You need to demonstrate that you're the go-to person in your niche. Specializing in one area is far more effective than being a generalist. Step 3. Master sales and negotiation. If you don't know how to sell your services effectively, you'll always struggle to charge what you're worth. Learn how to pitch with confidence, negotiate premium rates, and close the deal. Building trust is key. High-ticket clients need to trust that you're the right person for the job. This comes through clear communication, delivering on your promises, and maintaining professionalism at all times. Now comes the big question: how do you set your rates? Start by assessing your value in the marketplace. Look at your experience, the complexity of the services you offer, and the results you can deliver. Don't be afraid to price yourself higher. You're not just selling time, you're selling solutions. And the right high-ticket clients will be more than happy to pay for those solutions. Once you land your first high-ticket project, it's all about consistency. Deliver results, maintain relationships, and continuously market yourself as an expert. The more you network, the more high-ticket clients you'll attract. Scale your business by raising your rates over time, expanding your offer, and maybe even bringing on a team. The possibilities are endless. If you're ready to start earning premium rates and attract those 1 lakh plus clients, start applying these tips today. And don't forget to watch our upcoming video on best AI skills to learn fast on May 3rd to level up your skills even more.